Hello teacher, today I would like to talk about a special occasion that I like the most. My favorite special occasion is that the Lunar New Year. It usually comes in late January or early February. This is the most important holiday in Vietnam. It marks the beginning of a new year and start of spring. That means family, good luck and new beginning. Before that, people clean their house and decorate them with flowers like peach blossom or tree. On this, people often eat traditional foods such as bánh chưng, meat, and fruits. They drink tea and enjoy meal together with their family. On this occasion, people say Happy New Year and give good wishes to each other, such as healthy and happiness. Family visit relatives, talk, and spend time together. Children often receive lucky money. I like it because I can relax, enjoy delicious food, and spend warm and happy time with my family. Thank you for listening.